So what about if you've got a water softener, Gav? What is it you need to consider with this?
So what you do get is that the manufacturers do recommend that you don't drink softened water. But again, that's not a problem for this system, because what you can do is that you can run a hard water feed, so an unsoftened water feed that feeds the filter system.
So you're still getting soft water to one half of the tap, and then we recommend that you feed the non-softened supply to the boiler and the filter. And why do we recommend that, Gav, separate to the softener manufacturers?
From our viewpoint, the main thing is really what we have experienced is that customers who have done that, they have experienced taste issues.
Right, okay. And what about the increased sodium? So, for example, a customer can't run a separate unsoftened supply. The softened water has got increased sodium levels. Will the filter remove that sodium?
No.
It won't?
No.
So, ideally, we need to run a separate softened supply specifically for the boiler.
That's correct, yeah.